Okay guys, today we're gonna look at a simple algebra question. Okay, let's get back to the question. Okay, now we look at the keywords of this question. The sum of the numbers consecutive. That might be a keyword. Consecutive means just number after number. Three consecutive numbers might be like 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6. They just follow back to back. They're back to back numbers. It goes 48, and the sum basically is the answer of an addition equation. So the sum of 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, yeah? I think you're with me right now. Okay, before we get started with anything else, let's just follow some basic rules. First of all, we're gonna let x represent something. Okay, now let x represent the three consecutive numbers. Okay, rule number 2. We're going to try isolating the variable, so let's get an equation out here. So, the sum of three consecutive numbers. Let's have an example. Let's put this example 1, 2, and 3. Let's put this 1 as x, since let's put this 1 as x. So we're gonna put 1 here, and we're gonna, since it's the sum of something, we're gonna use an addition sign. Now, the next number in this consecutive series is 2. So the difference between 1 and 2 is a positive 1 difference. So we're gonna write plus x plus 1, and we do the same thing to 3. 3 and 1 have a difference of positive 2. So we put plus x plus 2. Since it's an equation, we write equals, and then we have here 48. Okay. Isolate variable. Okay, now let's get started here. I'm just gonna put a few more equal signs. Remember, equal signs must be in a straight line. Okay, now what we try to do to isolate the variable, most people use inverse operation. That is basically using inverse operation is basically doing its opposite. So we want x to be isolated right here. We want this to be isolated right here. So, and these are some numbers that we want to isolate over to here. Okay, now let's get started. So we do x plus 1 plus x plus 2, but we use inverse operations to isolate these numbers, to isolate the variable. So the opposite of positive 1 is negative 1. So we write negative 1 right here, and there's another number. The opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. So we put negative 2 right here. That just basically cancels out this positive 1 and this positive 2. Now, whatever we have to do to one side, we're going to drop this 48 down here, we have to do to the other. Oh, why did I do positive, negative? Okay. We have to do to the other, as I was saying. So, we're going to subtract negative 1 and negative 2. Okay, let's clean this up a bit. Now, this is basically going to look like x plus x plus x equals 45. Now, we try to combine like terms. That's our third rule. Combine like terms. Third rule right here. Now, 45, we drop the 45 in the equal sign. Now, x plus x plus x. Some people have struggle right at this spot. This spot, from going here to here. They struggle. Okay, because some people think x plus x plus x is x to the power of 3. And some people think it's 3x. Well, the correct answer is 3x. Because it's basically telling you that you have 3 x's. X to the power of 3 is a totally different thing. X to the power of 3 is the answer for something like x times x. X times x times x. That is x to the power of 3. That is a common mistake, guys. I'm just gonna put that down right here just to remind you guys. Does not equal 3x. 3x equals x plus x plus x. Okay, now let's drop this down. 3x equals 45. Now, there's still one number right there. There's still this number. You're going to try to isolate it. We're going to try to cut it off. Now, the opposite of multiplying 3, gonna drop this thing, is subtracting 3. So right here on the right side, we're gonna 3x divided by 3. And whatever we have to do to one side, we do to the other. Let's drop this down a bit. Okay. Now what this is basically saying is that these cancel out. So what we're left with is x. And 45 divided by 3 is 15. So x equals 15. But we're not done here. In the top, it says there's 3 consecutive numbers. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers. Now, 3 consecutive numbers is x, like here, x is 15. X plus 1 is the second consecutive number. Let me just write this. First consecutive number. Second and third. Oops. Third consecutive number. Okay. Now, since we have these, we're going to plug these in. X plus 1 equals 16. That x plus 1 equals our second consecutive number, which means x plus 1 is 16. And I think you're on the right track. So, x plus 2 equals 17. Okay. Oh, x plus 17. X plus 2 equals 17. So these right here are 3 consecutive numbers. Okay, we're still not done here. And I think you know what we're missing. Okay, I think you got it. It's the therefore sentence. Let's zoom up right here. We need to write therefore sentence. So, 3 dots means therefore. We're gonna write the 3 numbers. Let's put consecutive in here. Consecutive numbers are 15, 16, and 17. Remember to circle your, just like make it known to your teacher. Okay, so guys, that is the end of our video, and I hope you learned a lot with this. I'm gonna be posting some more videos so you can take a look at them. So this is the end for now. Bye guys.